Hello everyone, David here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Cantonese steamed fish. It's easy and tasty. You need a piece of ginger the size of your thumb, a few cloves of garlic, and 2 stalks of green onions. First, we cut off the skin of the ginger, set aside. Then we finely slice ginger, garlic, and green onion into very fine pieces. Here we use a piece of Pacific wild cod, slightly scored in between half a pound and 1 pound. You can also use wild red snapper or salmon. The thicker cut, the better. Lay the ginger skin at the bottom of the plate and put the piece of fish on top of it. Then we put 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and some white pepper. Let's set up a wok for steaming. When the water is boiling, put in the fish and steam for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just open the lid and let it breathe for 1 moment, and then close it and steam for another 3 minutes. When the steaming is done, take out the fish and put it on a clean plate. Put ginger, garlic, and green onion on top of the fish. Then put half a cup light soy sauce around the fish. Then use the wok to heat up half a cup cooking oil. Put a pinch of salt on the fish while the oil is heating. When the oil is sizzling hot and smoking, just pour it all over the ginger, garlic, and green onion. Voila, it's done. This is such a light, healthy, and delicious dish to make. And it's very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.